Hi, Bobcats. Welcome back. So good to see you. We are going to show you a few little tips and tricks to make your Zoom experience a little bit easier. You just watched a video on how to log on to Zoom, and so now we're on. Here I am in Miss Dunkel's awesome advisory class, and so we're going to get started.
Good morning, everyone. It's so nice to see you in advisory. I'm going to ask that everybody coming in mute themselves, please.
How do I mute myself? I'm going to go down to where it says mute, and I'm going to press it. And now I am muted. It looks like the host wants me to unmute myself. So it looks like there the host wanted me to unmute myself, so I did.
I see Makai, I see Devon, I see Suri. Chromebook 1000, I don't know who that is. Can you please change your name to your first and last name so that we know who you are?
But Miss Dunkel, you can see my face.
But we want to make sure that we have everyone's names listed just in case we go off screen for a game or just in case other people come on and they don't know who you are. And it's just another way to build community so we know who each other is.
Okay. So I'm going to go to these three dots. I'm going to click on it. It says rename, and I'm going to put my full name.
Thank you so much, Stephanie Berger. It is so lovely to see you and see your name next to your face in your awesome Giants picture. So we're just going to go into our first advisory activity, and I'm going to ask you to first just start off, check-in question, write one thing that you are excited to do this weekend. And if you don't have anything that you're excited to do this weekend because it's smoky and we can't go out, what do you wish you could be doing?
So I'm going to go down to the chat as a student. I'm going to go down to where it says chat. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to make sure that this blue says everyone so everyone can see my answer. And I'm going to write that I'm excited to walk my dog.
All right, I see Ms. Berger is excited to walk their dog. I see someone's really excited to play video games. I see someone's going to see their cousins. Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. All right, on to the next. We're going to start with the game, and it's called True or False. And here's how we're going to play. You have some buttons down in your reactions bar, and there's a thumbs up and there's a thumbs down. We're going to use thumbs up for true and thumbs down for false. Okay. True or false, or thumbs up, thumbs down. You should enter a Zoom meeting with your volume on. Is that true, thumbs up, or false, thumbs down?
So I think the answer is false. So I am going to quietly, because Miss Dunkel asked me to use these reactions, I'm going to go down where it says reactions. I'm going to click, and I see a thumbs up. I do not see a thumbs down. So
it looks like we have to play a different kind of game. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Thumbs up if you like vanilla ice cream.
So what you saw there was I'm still going to use my reaction buttons, and I'm going to put a thumbs up. And you see that my thumbs up shows right up there.
Yeah. I see Miss Berger. I can see her thumbs up that she likes vanilla ice cream. Okay. And we are going to now close our advisory. So if you can just write in the chat one thing that you are going to do today to make sure that you are prepared for Monday and know your schedule, write it in the chat. Where's one place that you can check for a Zoom link? That's the real question, right? One place that you can check for a Zoom link.
So I am going to go down here. I'm going to find the chat. And I'm going to chat that I can go to Schoology to see all my classes and my Zoom links.
Right. I see Schoology. I see some people said that their teachers were going to email them. I see some people looking on their calendar invites. There are lots of options right now, but Schoology is definitely your first guess. Thank you so much. I want to appreciate everybody for building community and advisory today, and have fun.
Thank you. Now I'm actually going to show you real quick how to close out the chat in case your chat is showing up like this and you don't want to see the chat anymore. If you go to this little caret, upside down caret, click on it, click close, and now the chat is gone. Thank you, Ms. Dunkel, for a wonderful session. I'm going to click on leave, and I will see you later.